We're in the south of France and we've woke up to drama. Paradise drama. Let me give you the script. Last time we soaked up the sun at Beach Garden on our French motorhome tour. But in part 6, things take a turn. Our German neighbours wake up to a surprise none of us saw coming. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to find out what happens. So come with me back to Beach Garden and let's do some detective work together. So our neighbours 2 doors down who've left today, they've been in this pitch. There's an old gate here, which used to be direct beach access. They've got locked now. They're in a caravan, and during the night, someone stole their phone. So basically they were sleeping with the caravan. It's almost like a, what's it called, stable door. So they've left the bottom locked, the phone on the side. Someone's come in, it's an Apple phone, iPhone, and they've taken the phone. Now because it's an iPhone, you can track it, and the initial thoughts is it's like 3-4 AM, someone's come on site, but because you have to wear like a wristband, like this one here, it's probably not going to be that because security are on the gate, so there's only one way in and out of this site, apart from beach access. So you can get up and down here, and you can get on these steps quite easily, and then potentially hop over this fence. So they've had to go look for their phone, so let's see if they find it. Suppose it's not gone very far. So they managed to track the phone to an area between campsites, which you can get to from the beach. And Kamori said that he'd spoke to Apple, and it's definitely there within 5 meters, but it's off. So I'm going to show you where it was. So it ended up down here at night, and then tracking just ended here, somewhere here. Come on detectives, let me know in this picture where you think the phone was hidden. So that's the staff car park. This way goes to the beach, and then that bay is down there. I'll take you for a tour. Anyway, the good news is, after about 15 different attempts with security, the police, myself, and Morris keep coming back to find his wife's phone. It was his wife's phone. It was hidden under that rock there. He'd even been over the fence there to check if it was there. It was hidden under that rock there. So someone had stolen it and then tucked it underneath. It was really disappointing to find that on a campsite, which is a 5-star campsite, but equally when the public can get close to it, there's always a risk, which is such a shame. It didn't ruin their holiday because they got it back, but equally, yeah, it was such a shame. So lesson is, don't sleep with your doors open, or sleep with your doors open, but just don't leave your valuables on the side. Yeah, definitely slept with one eye open for the last couple of nights anyway. But great news you found it, so well done. I'm annoyed I didn't find it really. I wanted to find it and be the hero, but I'm pleased you found it. So detectives, was it staff, a beach walker, or just cheeky kids? Let us know in the comments. We just walked up to the beach, which you'd have got access to that area from, and there's little lockers there. They're very good, the French. Lockers right next to the lifeguard station. It also tells you what activities they're doing on the beach as well. And we're here on the beach. I'll show you where their pitch was. Just see our van in the distance, so that's there. They've walked all out there. That's my opinion anyway. Great news, the phone was found. Great news. So that's the end of the stolen iPhone mystery in paradise. Where there's paradise, there can also be drama. And if you've had an unfortunate experience like this, then let me know in the comments below. Did you get it back, or is it lost forever? Let's head back to where we were going, Cap to Agde. We can't check in until 3 PM at our new campsite, so we're stopping at the Motorhome Aire here to waste some time before heading north. So we're just coming into Cap d'Agde, just because there's we can't check into our new campsite until 3 PM. It's a 2-hour drive, and the sun's shining, and there's a camping car park for €10 by the looks of things. So Becky's just getting us a ticket now.
Got the ticket.
Oh, very nice.
So you can stay on it, can you?
Yeah, you can see the night. €10, which is decent. You got a service point up there. British. And this tree?
Yeah. Oh.
Hello. very shit place. Tom?
What?
Just stick it here.
Back in there.
What?
We'll back it in there.
Yeah? You think? Okay. Which way's out anyway? No, back forward in there, because back up that way out anyway.
Yee! It's great.
So yeah, so this is €12 a night. We're pitched up there. There's plenty of space. The gentleman next door to us has been here for 3 weeks. He's British, and he's had a really good time. And he said it's no drama here at all. It's absolutely huge, this place. I didn't realise. Wait there.
This place is big.
Look at this. All the way. I don't know if you can see right at the back there. There's loads of space. We're at the Cap d'Agde Motorhome Aire. 43 pitches for all sizes with fresh water, waste disposal, and an Nelson point out the front. No electric, but just 2 minutes to the beach and 4 to the marina and shops. Perfect for a quick stop, or like our neighbour, 3 weeks. So let's go explore. But first, coffee. So we don't know where we're going, but we're going to find somewhere to get a coffee. Oh, that's got a big play park, look. So we found the beach, and more importantly for the kids, we found a play park and balls pitches. So now just time to find somewhere for a coffee. And we found the perfect spot overlooking the beach. Now to the shops. So we've just made it down to the port, and there's lots of boats and things going on here. Check this out. I think from restaurants through to boat tours. Very nice. Although there is a bit pongy around here. There's a bit sulphury poo smell in it.
Yeah.
Look at this for back. Wow. It's like the robot from Star Wars, no?
Prostitute.
Yeah. Star Wars robot prostitute clothing there. Obviously we've stumbled across some kids' rides to go on. Hey, cheese! Your tickets? Elijah's race today. Right, back to the motorhome. A little sandwich in Agde, but nothing too much to see here because we want to head north to our campsite so we can check in at exactly 3 o'clock. Into Marseille, stop at Bessan, and then it's 2 hours north of there. So let's get there. So back at the motorhome, got to work out, do we pay when we leave or is there a machine to pay? I think we pay when we leave. I'll quickly walk over and have a look. So there's a simple card only terminal, just €12 a night, a total bargain on the south coast. Here are the bins and service point, accessible outside the Aire, super convenient. So let's head back to the motorhome and drive 2 hours north to our next campsite. The roads in France are beautiful, and while we're sad to leave this area, we're excited for the next site. But have we peaked too soon? We're heading to the beautiful village of Saint-Genier-de-Haut, nestled in the Lot Valley in southern France. Surrounded by rolling hills, rivers and medieval charm, it's the perfect mix of nature and heritage. Cobbled streets, stone bridges and scenic walks. It's a proper postcard-worthy stop in the heart of Aveyron. We're staying at the Camping Paradis Marmotel, a riverside site with a pool, bar and loads for the kids. Okay, but first, here's a little treat. As we cruise across the Millau Viaduct, it's hard not to be amazed. This cable-stayed marvel stands over 270 metres above the gorge of the Tarn and tops out at 343 metres in pylon height, making the tallest bridge in the world. Built between 2001 and 2004 by French engineering giant Eiffage, this bridge was designed by Michael Verloge with architectural flair by Norman Foster. They chose cable-stayed spans to elegantly cross the valley without descending into the gorge, an engineering statement and a traffic solution for crowded summer traffic through Millau. At 2,460 metres long, it's the world's longest cable-stayed bridge, boasting 7 towering concrete pylons, some over 245 metres tall, supporting a massive steel cables and a sleek 32-metre wide roadway. The construction used around 127,000 cubic metres of concrete and 19,000 tonnes of steel, with 1,500 tonnes of cable, all engineered to endure strong winds up to 205 km an hour, tested in wind tunnels for safety. The deck was assembled on either side and slid into place using hydraulic launchers which moved it 600mm every 4 minutes. Opened in December 2004, the Millau Viaduct instantly became an icon of modern architecture. Taller than the Eiffel Tower, awarded Outstanding Structure by IABS in 2006, and featured in films like Mr. Bean's Holiday. It also solved a major bottleneck. Before, travellers had to descend into the Tarn Valley via the old N9, causing chaos in peak season. Now, the A75 flies straight across the top, saving time, reducing accidents and easing traffic. As we pass over the deck, 343 metres above the river, you get those unreal panoramic views of the Causes limestone plateaus. It's not just a bridge, it's a journey through engineering history, and one you'll remember every time you cross. A short windy drive off the motorway, and we're finally here.
So, that's just a car park.
Wide. Breathe in.
Reception.
That goes one way in, one way out.
Aquafun, 11 o'clock. What day is it today? Monday? I can't see what's on.
Okay, after that really random drive here, we're here. And it was quite clear we're here, but if you were driving down the road, you'd think, am I here? Am I coming to the right place? Right, let's go. Let's check in at reception. 2 seconds. Let's see if anyone's here. Bonjour. Go down and round past the river. So we're here. We're going to go all the way down and round, but then the first turning once we come back on ourselves. This is good. This is friendly.
225. This looks cute. We're now pitching up at our next stop, Camping Paradis Marmotel, a riverside site with amazing views and plenty to explore. But wow, what a journey it's been so far. From sun-soaked beach days at Beach Garden to the unexpected drama of our neighbour's stolen phone, this part of the trip had a bit of everything: adventure, relaxation, and even a bit of detective work. If you've enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. We love hearing from you and it really helps keep the channel going. Thank you so much for the continued support. We'll see you in part 8, where we explore more of this stunning region and settle into life at our new campsite. Until then, safe travels.